Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in engineering economy, and this is part 2 of engineering economy 2. So here I'll discuss capitalized cost and annual cost or annual investment cost. So we define capitalized cost as the sum of the first cost and the present worth of all future payments and replacements, which is assumed to continue forever. So the cash flow diagram would look as shown here, and we have here the first cost, and after certain period it will be replaced. So the asset or it may be a machine will be replaced after certain period of time. This is the annual operations and maintenance cost, and at the end of that useful life of the asset, then there is this replacement cost, which is different value from the first cost, or it may be same amount as that of the first cost if not specified in the problem. And it also have the what we call salvage value or scrap value or salvage cost. Then because it is maintained, it will continue up to another end period and so on and so forth until a long period of time, because these assets shall be maintained for a long period of time, and like bridges, or if you own a property that will really last for a long time. So that's the idea of the capitalized cost. So therefore this capitalized cost is equal to the present worth, which is already this FC here, and the present worth of this annual operations and maintenance cost, which continue forever, is like the present worth of perpetuity, and it is equal to OM over I. Remember the present worth of perpetuity, and the present value of the salvage cost and this replacement cost, which will be imagined to have annual equivalent uniform replacement cost and annual equivalent salvage value as shown here. So because this is the cash flow diagram appears to be the same as that of the annuity, so this salvage value, the present worth, is equal to annual equivalent salvage value, right? So salvage value, this is future, so it is equal to AS over I, quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Similarly, replacement cost, it will be future with respect to this present time. So future worth is equivalent annual revenue cost, or replacement cost rather, not revenue, over I, quantity 1 plus I to the n. So from this cash flow diagram, let's define the definition of capitalized cost, which is first cost plus OM over I, then plus, after I derive this, it will be quantity RC minus SV all over 1 plus I to the n minus 1, then OM over I was already mentioned. So this is the definition. Capitalized cost, I call this C sub C, but here it's C, but it's the same. So first cost, which is present, plus annual operations and maintenance cost over I. It's like perpetuity present worth of this annual operations and maintenance cost, and this RC minus SV over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. That's the difference between AR and AS. So the net annual cost would be, for these two values, would be RC minus SV over 1 plus I to the n minus 1, and I will show that. Then the annual cost is simply capitalized cost times I. So therefore, annual cost would be, we'll just multiply all this by I. So FCI plus OM plus quantity RC minus SV times I over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. So this is the equivalent annual cost for these two, and these are the definitions of these items. Then F is A over I, quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Remember the future worth of annuity. So therefore, the SV is future. So SV is A sub S. I call the equivalent annual salvage value, which is A sub S, quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1 over I. Then, therefore, AS is SVI, quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Likewise, replacement cost, this is also future worth, so we use this formula. Then I'll call the equivalent annual replacement cost as AR. So AS therefore is SVI over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Then RC is A sub R, quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1 over I. So that means AR is RCI over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. So that the equivalent annual cost, or the equivalent present worth of this annual cost, would be quantity AR minus AS over I, just like OM over I, perpetuity. So that the formula would now be AR minus AS over I. This is the equivalent present worth of this annual uniform cost. So RC minus SV over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. So that replaces this. So this is interpreted as the present worth of this equivalent annual uh, replacement cost and annual salvage value. So that the capitalized cost is indeed equal to FC plus OM over I plus quantity RC minus SV over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. So let's have this example, although this is not part of this topic, but the idea is it's about determining the future worth or present worth with this similar cash flow diagram. So annual deposits were made in the fund earning 10% per annum. The first deposit was 2,000 pesos, and in each deposit thereafter was 200 pesos less than the preceding one. So determine the accumulated amount in the fund after the sixth deposit. So the idea is you imagine cash flow diagram wherein the first deposit is 2,000 pesos, second 1,008, then 1,006, then 1,004, then 1,002, then 1,000. It ends at 1,000 after the sixth deposit. So these are preceding values, and we project it to be we compute the accumulated amount in the fund after the sixth deposit. So we use future worth. So after the sixth deposit, 1,000 pesos is already occurring at the sixth period, so it is already 1,000 pesos. So the sixth deposit is 1,000 because every year the deposit is decreasing by an amount of 200 pesos less than the preceding one. So imagine that first year it is 2,000, then we multiply it by, because f is 1 plus is present times 1 plus I to the n, so we multiply 2,000 pesos by 1.1 to the 5. Distance between 1 and the sixth year is 5. Then, or difference in time, then 1/8 times 1.1 to the fourth like this. So 2000 times 1.1 to the 5 plus 18 times 1.1 to the 4 plus 16 times 1.1 cube plus 14 times 1.1 square plus 1200 times 1.1 to the 1 plus 1000, or 1000 times 1.1 to the 0 is the same. So the accumulated amount in the fund after the 6th deposit is equal to 12,000 pesos. So to continue, let's define here annual investment cost or annual cost. It was defined in the preceding slide as capitalized cost times I, but I redefined it here because there are situations where the first cost and the replacement cost are not the same. So the annual cost of an investment is the sum of the interest on investment, the annual depreciation, and the annual operations and maintenance cost. So that's why annual cost is annual interest plus annual depreciation plus annual operations and maintenance cost, which is this is just OM. This one is quantity FC minus SV times I over 1 plus I to the n minus 1, and this one is first cost times I. So annual cost is first cost times I, but in this case I define it as R, and quantity RC minus SV times I over 1 plus I to the n minus 1 annual depreciation or equivalent annual cost for replacement cost and salvage value, and this annual operations and maintenance cost. Now, R can be replaced by I if not specified in the problem, but R is called the rate of return on investment and can be replaced with I if not specified. So, it is also FCI if not specified in the problem. So, to be specific, let's put annual cost that way. So, first cost or the investment cost, FC, then RC replacement cost, and can be replaced with first cost if not specified also in the problem. SV, I is the rate of interest of the annual depreciation by sinking fund method. So this is by sinking fund method. Then SV, salvage value or scrap value. And for other definition, it is here. Annuity, I already discussed this, so just remember the formula, and that's for perpetuity. So quantity 1 plus I to the n prime or n, that's the same, minus 1 over I. Then present worth 1 plus I to the n minus 1 over I a times quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1 over I times 1 plus I to the n, or simply because a over I times 1 plus I to the n minus 1 is future worth of annuity, then we divide it by further by 1 plus I to the n to make it present worth. Or the other direct formula is a over I quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus I to the negative n, if you can remember. So that's the perpetuity a over I only. So let's have example problems on capitalized cost, annual cost. So this is the first problem. Compute the capitalized cost of a new car worth 800,000 pesos if it is estimated that it requires 20,000 pesos per year to maintain and must be replaced at the same amount with a salvage value of 300,000 pesos after 5 years if the interest rate is 12% per annum. So I is 0.12. First cost is 800,000 pesos, and this is also the replacement cost as specified here. And salvage value is annual operations and maintenance cost is 20,000 pesos, and the salvage value is 300,000 pesos. So capitalized cost is, if you can recall, present worth of all present worth of the present the first cost, the annual operations and maintenance cost, and the annual interest, which is present worth, which is equal to FC minus SV, then divided by quantity 1 plus I to the n minus 1. So the formula is capitalized cost is first cost plus quantity FC minus SV all over 1 plus I to the n minus 1 plus annual operations and maintenance costs over I. So all these are given, so all you have to do is substitute. So C sub C is 800,000 plus quantity 800,000 minus 300,000 all over 1.12 to the 5 minus 1, then plus 20,000 over 0.12. So solving for that capitalized cost, it is equal to 1,622,540.55. For the next problem, a contractor can buy dump trucks for 800,000 pesos each or rent them for 1,200 pesos per day. The truck has a salvage value of 100,000 pesos, and at the end of its useful life of 5 years, that's the salvage value. The annual cost of maintenance is 20,000 pesos. Using the annual cost method and 14% interest rate, determine the number of days per year that the truck must be used to warrant its purchase. So the idea here is the annual cost of purchasing the dump truck is equal to the annual cost of uh, renting the dump truck. So that's the idea. And the annual cost formula for purchasing is equal to FCI plus quantity. You just multiply this by I. So FCI plus quantity RC minus SVI over 1 plus I to the n minus 1 plus ON. So that's the annual cost. While the annual cost of renting is simply 1,200 pesos per day times the number of days. I'll call it X. So substitute 800,000 times 0.14 plus quantity 800,000 minus 100,000 times 0.14 over 1.14 to the 5 minus 1 plus 20,000 annual maintenance cost equals 1,200 times X. Solving for X, it is equal to 198.25 days. Then round up that to 199 days. So that's the answer, 199 days. So for this last problem, we have here a situation: a manufacturing plant installed a new boiler at a total cost of 150,000 pesos. It is estimated to have a useful life of 10 years with a scrap value of 5,000 pesos. Annual maintenance cost is 10,000 pesos. If the interest is 12% compounded annually, determine the equivalent present worth of the annual maintenance cost. Determine the equivalent annual cost of the net amount required to replace the boiler, and determine its capitalized cost. So for the equivalent present worth of the annual maintenance cost, it is just OM over I, perpetuity, right? So it is 10,000 over 0.12. So POM is 10,000 over 0.12, and therefore it is equal to 83,333.33. Determine the equivalent annual cost of the net amount required to replace the boiler. This is the equivalent annual cost. So FC minus SV times I divided by 1 plus I to the n minus 1. That's the formula from the preceding slide. So substitute, because it's not mentioned here, replacement cost is also the first cost. So quantity 150,000 minus 5,000 times 0.12 over 1.12 to the power 10, 10 years minus 1. So equivalent annual cost of the Net amount required to replace the boiler is 8,262.7. Then finally determine its capitalized cost, which is first cost plus quantity RC minus SV over 1 plus I to the n minus 1, then plus ON, annual operations and maintenance costs, over I, OM over I. So substitute, utilized cost is 150,000 plus quantity 150,000 minus 5,000 over 1.12 to the 10 minus 1 plus 10,000 over 0.12. So computing capitalized cost is equal to 302,189.20. So that's it for this video.